Hello and welcome to this video on how to unprotect a protected spreadsheet. I'm currently in Excel and I have one of my templates that I have on the internet, and they're designed for people who don't normally use spreadsheets. So they're nice and simple. As it says, simply type over the blue cells. So anywhere of these blue cells you can get in and you can change whatever you want to do. However, the way I've constructed it, if you type anywhere else, if you try to change it down here, for example, it's not going to let you. You'll get this message. You'll see it's a protected sheet, and in some applications you'll see a little code down the bottom or a key. So for some reason, I'm not sure why, some people want to unprotect these templates, or in some cases you may have forgotten your own password and you've gone back in and you've tried to unprotect the sheet, and it brings up what the password is and you don't know. So how do we get around this? Actually, the solution is fairly simple, provided that this is one worksheet only. If it links to multiple other sheets, this won't work for you, but if you have a single sheet spreadsheet, this will work every time. What we do is we create a new page, blank sheet. I come back over here. I simply copy the whole lot. So I've clicked in the top corner and I've copied it, and I come up here to the very first cell and I simply paste it. And we now have a duplicate. See, I'm on sheet 2 now, a duplicate of that. But there's no password protection. I can type if I wanted to. I could come down here and now you can see there's a formula there. Oops, change. And I have changed it. Over here, if I go to type on that exact same cell, I can't do it. So that's all you need to do. Copy the whole thing, construct a new sheet, post it there, and then away you go. So hopefully that's helpful if you ever forget your password, but remember, it only works on single sheet spreadsheets.